Have this Honda 2005 Honda CRV 2.4. Tenemos este Honda CRV 2.4 Honda CRV. That radiator fan or condenser fan on the right side, it's not working. See, the customer says this one works but not that one, so we need to check it. We're gonna check that fan, see if it's working or if it needs to be replaced. Vamos a checar ese ventilador de allá del lado derecho. Dice el cliente que no funciona, que nomás funciona el de este lado. Ese es el del condenser, pero lo vamos a checar el circuito a ver si, porque también el aire de este no sirve. This air condition doesn't work, so if the AC doesn't work, that fan is not gonna work. See, because that's a condenser fan. That's for the AC fan condenser. So I'm gonna check if the condenser fan works. We're okay. But if it doesn't work, we're gonna replace it. Okay, so first thing, I'm gonna check right here on the relays. We got the relays right here. This is the condenser fan relay and this is the cooling fan relay. So we can check right here, see? But I'm going to see if the condenser works right here first. Make sure. If the condenser doesn't work, doesn't run applying 12 volts right here, well, we got nothing to check over there. Si el condensador, el abanico del condensador, lo voy a checar aquí. Lo puedo checar allá, pero lo voy a checar aquí. Si aquí trabaja, bueno, vamos a checar el circuito allá. Si no trabaja aquí, bueno, ya no hay que buscar. Es el fan que no sirve. Okay, so I'm gonna check ground first and then current. Voy a checar la corriente y luego la tierra y luego la corriente. El negro se supone que es la tierra y el azul supondríamos que es la corriente. Okay, see, we suppose that the blue color is the current one and this one is the ground one. Okay, so let's put our tester pins. Let's push it through here, right there. I'm gonna check if there's ground over there. Vamos a checar si tenemos tierra. Aquí debemos de tener tierra todo el tiempo. Okay. Si tenemos tierra, we have ground. We should have ground all the time here on these ground wires. Okay, let's check if right here we're gonna apply current. See, we're not gonna check. Right here should have ground too because the circuit is going around the motor. Sí, debemos de tener aquí tierra también porque como va a través del motor, aquí debemos de tener tierra. Sí, es que está bueno. Sí, sí tenemos resistencia 34 puntos. So, lo que voy a hacer aquí, le voy a poner corriente para ver si funciona el abanico. I'm gonna put current right here to see if the fan works. See, be careful with your fingers. See, I'm gonna put 12 volts right here. Yeah, it works. You can hear the fan. It works. So the fan, it's okay. We need to check the system, the circuit, not the system, the circuit that comes around all the way through here from the AC. But if the AC doesn't work, this one is not gonna work. Ya checamos el abanico está bueno, está girando. Ahora vamos a checar el circuito por allá, pero si el aire acondicionado no funciona, este abanico no va a prender. Este abanico es para que enfríe el condensador del aire acondicionado y le ayuda al motor, pero solo si el aire funciona. Okay, so I'm gonna check right here. I'm going to check right here the fuses and the relays. We have a on relay, AC relay. Here's the diagram right here. I don't know if you can see it. Not the diagram, but the components where they're located here in this box. Okay, so right here we can see, okay, we got it right here like that. We got it right here like that. It's like kind of upwards. This is the AC. This is the radiator. And this is the AC fan. Radiator fan and AC fan. And these are the fuses. Okay, they're supposed to go with the cooler, but oh, right here, the cooler. Okay. Fuse cooler. Okay, let's check condenser fan fuse. I'm gonna check it with a regular tester. So you don't, if you don't have this kind of a thing, you can check it with a regular tester. Okay, to check the fans, the current, you need a jumper wire from the positive to over there. See, if you don't have this kind of tool, that's all right. This one I'm gonna connect it to the ground, and then I'm gonna check the fuses. This is the condenser fan. It's good. This one is the cooling fan. It's good. This one is the horn. Okay. This one right here, it's the AC. See, this is the AC relay. This one right here is the radiator fan relay. This is the horn relay, and this one right here is the condenser fan. Right here, there are the symbols right here. It's got the symbols right there.
Ready for the hot days of summer. Get your preventative maintenance now and save money tomorrow.
See the symbols?
Repairs for your auto and truck.
Okay.
Conditioning, heating, tune-ups,
So,
brakes, transmission, cooling systems,
this one,
it's on the car,
it's the radiator fan relay. This one.
Recheck
Let's check if we got current on both terminals. This one and this one. See, one of these. That's it. This one or this one. Let's see if we got current on two terminals. If we got current on two terminals, we're okay. Okay, let's turn the key on. Right there, the key is on. Let's check. This is the ground. This is one. And this is another one. See? This one. This one, like I told you, this one and this one. We got current on both. Right there and right there. So let's see. Right there. I'm putting ground, I'm applying ground to the relay. See, Este es del aire acondicionado, de la compresora. Este otro, este es del abanico del radiador. Este que está aquí es de la corneta, y este que está aquí es del abanico del condensador, este de acá. So, estamos checando ahorita si tenemos corriente aquí y aquí. Estamos checando el circuito, ¿sí? Ahorita lo que hicimos es no poner hasta adentro. Esta debe de tener tierra, le estamos aplicando tierra a este lado, ¿sí? Y está prendiendo, ¿escuchan? Está prendiendo el abanico y aquí me está andando. Ok, so está bien el abanico del radiador, ¿sí? Ahí así. Ahora vamos a quitar este del condensador. Ya checamos el abanico del condensador, está bueno. Vamos a checar aquí si tenemos corriente aquí, y aquí tenemos dos corrientes, una es de la batería y otro es del switch. So we have current, we're okay. Now let's check if the circuit is okay. Tenemos corriente aquí y acá. Vamos a checar si tenemos el circuito correcto. We have current on both, right here and right here. One is from the battery and the other one is from the switch. See, and we have ground. Right now I'm gonna put this one right here and put my tester. I'm gonna apply ground, so I'm gonna activate that fan. Right there. I don't know if you can hear it. Right there. I'm doing this simple with no special tools. I can check these fans through my scanner if it's capable. I can check them, but I'm doing it because with regular tools for the people with no tools. See? So right now estoy haciendo esto con herramientas regulares, no con la scanner, ¿verdad? Con la scanner lo puedo activar los dos abanicos, pero lo quiero hacer con herramientas regulares, como para gente que no tiene scanner, no tiene esto. Bueno, ok, lo estoy haciendo así. So, ya vimos que está muy bien el circuito de aquí a allá. Ya están bien los circuitos de los abanicos, de los fans, del radiator fan y del condenser fan. We have good circuit on the radiator fan and the condenser fan. So we're okay from here to there. I just need to let the engine warm to see if that fan is gonna if it's gonna work, the radiator fan. That's the only one we need to work, the radiator fan, because we don't have the AC on this car is not working, so the AC fan is not gonna work. It only activates when it feels a lot of pressure on that high side on the AC, so it activates the sensor, and the sensor sends signal to this one, and then this one sends signals to the fan, to the condenser fan. But if we don't have any AC, good AC, it's not gonna work. Okay, estaba checando todo esto, ya está bien los circuitos. Ahorita voy a dejar el motor que prenda, que alcance la temperatura normal. Si el abanico del radiador prende, ¿verdad? Si el abanico del radiador prende, pues está bien. No necesitamos el abanico del condensador, porque ese nada más se necesita cuando alcanza una alta presión en el lado alto del aire acondicionado, pero eso sería otra cosa, que el cliente ahorita no me dijo que arreglara eso del aire acondicionado. Me dijo que no prendía ese abanico. Yo le dije que nada más prende cuando el aire está funcionando, cuando requiere que se enfríe más el condensador, prende el abanico, ¿verdad? So we have these two circuits good. We got it right. So the only thing I need to do right now is check. I need to let the engine work, let it warm up, and see if this radiator fan works. If it doesn't work, I need to check the sensor. But right here we check it's okay. The circuit from here to the fan, it's alright. So, ahorita voy a tener todo el motor trabajando hasta que alcance su temperatura normal y prenda el abanico. Si el abanico no prende, entonces voy a tener que checar el sensor de la temperatura y a ver por qué no está funcionando, ¿verdad? Porque de aquí está muy bien el circuito que gobierna al abanico, ¿verdad? So, es todo. Ahorita voy a dejar el motor trabajando y ver si prende el abanico. Si prende el abanico, todo está correcto. Ok. Okay, I'm gonna let it warm and see if the fan works. Let's replace the rotors on this one and let it warm up. We'll come back on when the fans. This fan is working, but because we have the AC on, and this one is not working, as you can see, it's not turning. So we need to find out why it's not turning, because we checked the fuses already and everything is good. This one, this is the radiator fan right here. As you can see, the radiator, see, that's the radiator fan relay. And this one on the bottom, it's the condenser fan. See, as you can see, this frosty thing, the frosty symbol, it's right there, and well, the condenser right there. See, this is the radiator, the condenser fan, and this one is the radiator fan. See, right here, like that, we have the radiator fan and the condenser fan. We know we got a good circuit right here because we induce ground to this one. Estaba diciendo que este de arriba, este es el abanico del radiador, porque tiene el símbolo aquí, nada más tiene el radiador, se fijan, y aquí tiene el símbolo como de una nieve, como de la nieve, ¿verdad? Como del no sé cómo se llame, un copito de nieve, ¿verdad? Una escarcha, ¿sí? Y este es el del condensador, el abanico del condensador. Ya checamos que trabajan los dos circuitos, inclusive este pues está trabajando. Este es del condenser. I'm gonna remove it right now. See, and the condenser fan stops. So this one is working, as you can see, and this one is the one for the fan. See, and this one is not working. This one, see, okay. This one is the one that is not working. But we check the circuit. We induce ground on this one, on this terminal, and the fan works. So the temperature sensor is not sending ground right here. See? Let me see. No, right here on this terminal, right here. Because this one, it's got power, as you can see, power from the switch and power from the battery. See? So we got I induced ground right here. See, but this one is not sending signal from the temperature sensor, this one, or the computer. I'm gonna check the diagram. See, because I induce, as you can hear, it's clicking, but it's not getting any current right here. To the. So we got good ground. Let me check. And I'm gonna check how many ohms it's getting right here on the ground side. This one, it's clicking. So it means it's supposed to be working. The fan's supposed to be working. Because if I put ground right here, let me get that. Because if I put ground right here, the fan works. It's not working right now. We're getting current. Okay, we check this one right here. This one is getting power. See, the other day I was checking this one, and I put ground right here, and it works. So right now I'm gonna check right here in the connector. I'm gonna check right there in the connector if I'm getting power or if I'm getting ground. Let me remove this part so I can put my hand through here. See this nut, it wasn't tight. So the other day I checked it and it works. Right now it's not working. We got something wrong here. Let me turn this one right there. Let me remove the connector, or I can connect the right there. Okay, I'm gonna put the back probe tester right here. I'm gonna put two back probe testers, one for the positive and one for the negative. The positive. Okay, I'm gonna check if it's getting current right there. Yeah, it's getting current. Let me put the other one on the other side. I'm gonna check if I'm getting ground on the other side. See? I'm gonna switch this one to the positive side. Right there. We got ground. So we got a bad fan. See? And the other day it was working. Right now it's not working. Right there. It's got current. So we got a bad motor. The other day I induced power, that's why it turns on. But maybe the motor is weak. See, I'm gonna induce power again and see if it's gonna work. That's what I did the last time. But it's not enough current, the one it's getting from this one. See? I'm gonna check right now. 14.3. So we got 14.3 volts right here. We got a bad motor. Okay. The other day works. The other day the motor works, but not this time. Sometimes maybe if I move it, yeah, maybe if I move it, that's why it works. Maybe it's got making good contact on some point and bad contact on another point. See right there. Okay, so we got a bad motor. Bad radiator motor. Radiator fan motor. Ya chequé, la otra vez me engañó. Funcionó, le puse corriente aquí y funcionó. Ahorita no. See right there, it's working. That's why I saw it working the other day. That's why I saw it the other day working. But the motor, as you can see, it's not turning fast. See? It's real slow. So we got a bad motor. Sometimes you need to check twice, especially the electrical parts or the electrical things, because right now it works. Sometimes works, sometimes not. That's intermittent. That's why I was getting like the fan, it's working, so we got something else, because when I put ground and current through here, the motor turns. And right now I'm checking again, it's got everything and it doesn't turn. So we got a bad motor, as you can see. We need to check twice, see twice. Sometimes the things they are trying to get you crazy, but well, you need to fix them and check them twice. Make sure the bad part is bad. Because if you say no, it's working, and then something happens, the customer is going to come back and say, hey, you told me that it was working, but it's not. You know, it's intermittent things happen. Sí, el abanico la otra vez lo chequé, le puse corriente y trabajó, y ahorita no quiere trabajar. So, tenemos un abanico que trabaja de repente, trabaja y de repente no. Como verán, ahorita está trabajando, ¿sí? Está trabajando ahorita, ese también. Por eso es que ese día me mareo. Dije, no, sí, el abanico está bien, pero ahorita le quité el relay para que se detenga. Se lo voy a poner otra vez. Sí. The relay is working, it's sending current, but the motor is not working. See? So that motor sometimes make good contact in there, inside the motor, inside the rotor. Sometimes makes good contact, sometimes not. Sí, como verán, a veces hace contacto ese motor, a veces no. Y ahorita me sacó de onda porque dije, estaba trabajando el abanico, voy a checar otra vez qué está pasando. Y ahora no trabaja y todo está bien. So, tenemos un motor que trabaja a veces y a veces no trabaja, pero ya está dañado por dentro del motor, ¿verdad? So, let's replace the motor, the radiator motor. Entonces vamos a cambiar ese motor del abanico. Ok. Put this one. Other side.
Gabriel Auto Technician of the Unit Heights reminds you to be ready for the hot days of summer. Get your preventative maintenance now and save money tomorrow. All types of maintenance repairs for your auto.
Okay, let me order the motor, and I'll see you when I'm gonna replace it. Vamos a ordenar el motor y les aviso cuando lo vayamos a poner.
Highway 100, Laguna Heights. That's Gabriel Auto Technician, 413 Highway 100.